Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a 5-minute makeup routine. This is my go-to makeup look when I'm running late or I just don't have that much time to do my makeup. This video will be a little longer than 5 minutes because I did talk through this video and I'm showing you guys the products that I'm using and how I'm using them. So if you guys are interested in my 5-minute makeup routine, keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next clip. This is normally how my skin looks whenever I wake up. I have very oily skin, so the first thing I like to do after I cleanse and moisturize my face, I like to go in with a primer. So this is the NYX Shine Killer Primer. I just like how it makes my skin feel. I just put that, wow. I just put that on my cheeks, just where I have like pores and stuff. So when I apply it, it's black, but once I rub it in, it turns clear. So no need to be alarmed. And I just put that in the center of my face, just in the areas that are really oily. Then I go in with the Pixie Glow Mist and I just spray that all over my face. This just brings the hydration back to my face, and it just doesn't make my face look so dull. I don't like dull skin on me. So after that, while that's drying, I start on my eyebrows. I am using my Milani Precision Pencil in the shade Medium Brown. I am just using this pencil to fill in sparse areas in my brows and just creating a more prominent tail. And then that's it. That's all what I do for my brows. No concealer, none of that. To get rid of my eye bag so I look less tired and just like some of my dark spots right here on my cheeks, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Cocoa, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit. So just literally 1, 2, 1, 2, just covering up my hyperpigmentation, and I'm putting some on my eyelids as well. Then I'm taking my sponge and I'm blending it out. My sponge is damp. I'm just using a foundation brush to blend out that concealer a little bit more, just to make sure there's no like harsh lines or anything. And I think we're done with concealer. It's perfect. To set my concealer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Deep. I'm taking that with a smaller fluffy brush. This one's by Morphe, and I'm just putting that underneath my eyes and also on my eyelids so that the concealer doesn't crease up on me. Yes, you can still see my hyperpigmentation, my dark spots and stuff, but I'm not trying to cover up everything. I want my skin to look like my skin. I keep my eyes pretty natural. I normally either use a bronzer or just like an orange eyeshadow. The one I'm using today is from Beauty Bakery. This is actually their blush in the shade Hey Pumpkin, and it's just this really bright orange blush, but I use it as eyeshadow. It looks really bright in the compact, but it doesn't come up that bright. And I'm just doing this to warm up my eyelids. Do y'all see that subtle difference? It just kind of makes my eyelids look better. Doesn't look like I just woke up. Like that. And then we're done. Done with the eyes, done with the eyes. For my lashes, I'm using 2 mascaras. I'm using the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara in the shade Black. And then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in the shade Black is Black. So I'm using the first mascara to lengthen my lashes. I have to be really careful when I'm doing this so I don't get it all over my eyelid. But I like to use this one to lengthen my lashes, and then the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara to make them more darker. Do y'all see just with one coat how much a difference mascara makes? Like, it just makes me look more awake, and you can see my lashes much better. Applying mascara is actually what takes me the longest. I don't do false lashes whenever I'm doing a 5-minute makeup routine because it's easier for me to have to reapply the false lashes because I'm rushing and then I don't do them right the first time. And then it just takes up more time for me to do my makeup. So while my mascara is drying, I go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. So I'm using my MAC Studio Fix foundation powder in the shade NW58. I'm just taking this face brush by Morphe, and I am applying this powder on my dark spots. So do y'all see all of this hyperpigmentation right here? I'm just putting it on top of those areas so they're not as noticeable. And then I just do a little bit on my forehead too. I have hyperpigmentation on my forehead. I don't have a lot though, so some days I don't even put the foundation powder on my forehead. I'm gonna add one more coat on my lashes, but I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'm just gonna do this so that they look even more darker. And I just take my makeup brush, the end of it, and I just use that to curl my lashes. Not really curl them, but just flip them up some more so you can see them. They're still wet, which is why I am using this instead of my fingertips. What I do next is take some setting spray. This one is the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. Just spray that all over my face to lock the makeup in. And before that dries, I like to take my bronzer, my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy, and put that on my cheeks to bronze up my cheeks. And then my forehead. Then I go back in with that blush by Beauty Bakery in the shade Hey Pumpkin, the orange one, and just use that to warm up my face some more. That, yeah, that's enough. The last thing I'm going to do is just reapply my lip gloss. When I'm doing a 5-minute makeup routine, I use a lip gloss that's very close to my natural lip color or that's clear. I'm using this e.l.f. lip gloss, and it's just clear with shimmers in it. Then I go in with my NYX Ginger Snap lip gloss and just put that at the bottom of my lips like that, and just kind of rub them together. And that's it, you guys. We are done. So y'all, this is my 5-minute face. Yes, it did take me longer than 5 minutes because I wanted to make sure I explained to you guys what I was doing. But realistically, this takes me about 5 to 6 minutes. And I like to add steps just depending on how much time I have to do my makeup. But that completes the video. Now I look more awake and I'm ready for whatever I had to do that I woke up late for. So let me know what you guys think about this 5-minute makeup routine. I'll leave all the products in my description box, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.